Management Console is Microsoft Windows service which allows the user to schedule and monitor the execution of advanced ETL processor and visual importer ETL objects. The objects can be ETL transformations, packages, or workflows, and SQL scripts. Management Console is accessible via browser. Here is the login page. The default user is administrator and password is the same. List of users is stored in the repository database. Once the user is logged in, he is presented with the Management Console dashboard. Here we can see various execution statistics and repository details. The menu is at the top of the screen. The first menu item is the nodes. The node is the computer where our ETL software is installed. Here is the list of nodes. We can sort the list, filter it or even export it into various formats. If we click on the node we can see the list of software installed. This screen also allows to disable or enable the software. Scheduler screen. Here we can see the list of objects currently scheduled for execution together with execution statistics. Scheduler offers a very flexible way of executing objects. They can be executed once, daily, weekly, monthly or when execution agent starts. Event monitors. The monitor executes an object when a certain event happens. For example, when a new file is created in the directory, a file is uploaded to the FTP server or new email arrives. There are 6 monitors: Directory Monitor, FTP Monitor, Email Monitor, HTTP Monitor and Message Monitor. Execution Statistics screen shows the information about the object execution, such as duration, number of executions and some useful charts. It also allows you to drill down and see the individual object's execution statistics. Execution log screen helps the users to investigate possible problems and see the execution progress. The backup screen allows the user to back up the repository. To download the backups or to delete the old ones. Settings. Here we can see the list of the users. We can change the user details. Change the user password or change the currently logged in user password. Thank you for watching this video. Please use our support forum to post your questions.